Um, Hi all. So in the previous video we have discussed about the Spark architecture, and we have also discussed about the Databricks community edition, how to create an account, and how to create a cluster, and all that we have discussed. So in this video I will be explaining about the basics of RDD, like the lower level APIs of RDD, that is Spark RDDs. So first of all, let us see like my cluster is activated or not. So as you can see, my cluster is up and running. I have created one cluster RDD by example, and I have started it. So for creating the cluster, those who have not watched my previous video, I will give the link to that. And just for demo purpose, I will like show give the name and just click on create compute button, and it will get started. Already I have one cluster running, so that's why maybe since it is a community edition, it is not giving option to create. For who else like the cluster is not running, it will come. So like that you can create the cluster, and in the data you can upload your files and all. dbfs I've already told like how to activate this button. Yeah, so let us now discuss this. So first of all, like already there are few predefined variables which are given by Databricks. The first one is a Spark, like as you can see, which is denoting the Spark session, right? And here you can get the link of Spark UI, and we will also discuss this Spark UI thing in the upcoming session, like what are these jobs, what are the stages, and all everything we'll be discussing in the upcoming lectures. Okay, one more variable, that is Spark context SC. This is also predefined by Spark. See, I have not defined it anywhere. This is predefined in the Databricks notebook. So first of all, like when we will learn RDD, let us first discuss like how to create it from a list or tuple, like from anything, right? How to create an RDD. So RDD is created, and we can visualize this using this command rdd.collect, and sc.parallelize is used to create an RDD with the help of list or tuple. From the list we have seen, now let us check from the tuple also. See, the output is same, RDD is created. So let us look upon first function, that is the map function which is used in RDD. So it is very clear, like as you can see, lambda x such as x star 2. So what it will be doing, it will be like multiplying these values, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and it will just multiply this value by 2, x such that x star 2, 2 4 6, like that output should come. Let us see. 2 4 6 8 10 12 14, exactly the output that we wanted. So there's another example of map function that we can use with an RDD, that is lambda x such that x comma 1. So any guesses like what it will do? Uh, okay, just think about it. So what it will be doing, it will be taking this RDD 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and it will be creating a tuple out of it, and it will give the value as 1 comma 1. See, it will give the value as 1 comma 1. Like this it will be giving the output. Let us see 1 comma 1 2 comma 1 3 comma 1 4 comma 1, like it is basically what it has done. It is created an pair RDD, right? uh, RDD, it created a pair RDD. So before, like I should tell the RDD full form also. RDD is resilient distributed data sets, right? Like it is resilient, and this is also distributed data set. Okay, so let us discuss about this flat map transformation. Flat map, the RDD have given this variable, so flat map lambda x such that x comma 1. So there's a basic difference we will be seeing on this output, right? Let me copy this output and flat map. Sorry, this one, and this is similar this similar lambda function we have used. You can see. Then what is the difference between map and flat map? This we will see. Let me copy this output of the previous one, and let me run this. For running, I'm using shift enter, so it will run. So you can see the difference between the output of the above map and flat map. What this flat map has done, it has basically flattened values. Like this is a tuple, and it has just removed 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1. So like we just like a normal list we can say, right? Not a tuple inside the list. So that is the work of flat map. So we can understand the difference between a map and a flat map. Okay. So like for the filtering of some of the values, we want to filter out some values. So filtering is like x such that x star 2. So let us check out what is the initial value that we are having: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are few numbers which will be completely divisible by 2, and few like which will be leaving some remainder, right? So it is basic transformation that we all know, like what filter does. It will just remove the values which are not completely divisible by 2. Also, like as we all know, this is the distributed system we are seeing. Now let us check how many partitions are there. So for the first filter RDD, the partitions are 8 partitions, right? But if I want to repartition it, I will put just repartition and get num partition. So it is now 2. Since I have repartitioned it to, let me repartition it to like 10 repartition. Let me check if you can do 10 repartitions. 10 partitions are there now. So also this sorted method, we can put RDD inside that and we can collect. So also the distinct function. So we are covering actually two functions here: distinct and sorted. Okay. Sorted as 0 dot parallelize 1 1 2 3, distinct dot collect. Let us see what is the output. Obviously do 1 2 3. Yeah, 1 2 3 is the output for this. Next is sort by key. So we can see that we are creating a paired RDD, RD.map lambda x comma x are 2, or then will 2 4 4 8 like this. The pair RDD will be, and then pair RDD we are doing the sort by key. Let us see the output. See, 1 2 2 4 3 6 4 8 5 10. Sort by key means like on the basis of this value, it is sorting order data 1 2 3 4 5 6. X comma y is like key value pair, right? This is key and these are values. So like this, it is giving the output. Also, we can see there's a zero template temp sort by key true, comma one. So this true and false like it is ascending and descending, right? One, two, A, B, C. So these are having lower ASCII values. So it is coming first. Let us give this value as false and let us see the output. See, just suppose it. Take what I said. It is sorting on the basis of key, the first values. Yeah. Let us see another example. We can also pass a function in this sort by key value, like on what basis we want to uh, sort the data. Let us run this. Like before we run this like k dot lower. So obviously like it will be seeing the lower values and it will be putting first. See A3 please and all the uppercase letter M. So like it is doing lower and then doing collect and then it is uh, like sorting and displaying the output. So multiple functions I have kept in one of the function just to let you know, like we can use multiple function in one and we can uh, display the output also and collect the result. 8 16 10, like first of all what it did, it created an RDD out of this map xr2 like 2 4 6 8 like that will be doing 1 2 4 6 8 like that and then x greater than 5. So wherever the value of x is greater than 5, it has given the values. So this 6 should be there in front, but since it is not a sorted result, so we are getting this RDD, this result set. Next is reduce by key. Pair RDD SC dot parallelize. We are parallelizing the values and creating RDD out of it. Then we are reduced by key like on the basis of keys, right? So can you think of the output like what will we get? So basically, what it is doing, it is considering the key and summing the result, right? So for 1 there are two values 2 and 4. So 1 6 it will be there and 2 4 it will be there. Let us see the output. See 1 6 and 2 4. What is done? It sees the key and sums up the value 2 and 4. See. 1624. So like this, it is doing the values on the basis of reduced by key. Let us see the group by function. Zero by same. We are creating an RDD. Then we are doing group by dot collect. So this is the basically the result set that we'll be getting. So let us see, run and see. We are getting the same result set. Yeah, 028111135. See, x. We are creating a list, right? X comma sorted y for x comma y in result. Since we are group by, so it will be no, gives two results. Let us see what is in result, right? This will be result. Already we have used collect, so directly we can print result. 0 PySpark result triple result. So okay, yeah, that's why we have used sorted for x comma y in result. Like we are iterating over this result variable. Okay, since it is an iterable object, so we are iterating it to display the object. Yes. Okay, so let's check what is group by key. Any guesses like what we can do? It will be giving the result on the basis of group by key, like 1 comma 2 and 4, like that it will print the result. Let us see. Okay, again we need to do this kind of things to get the result here. It also result in an iterable object. In the places of result, we need to replace it with group RDD. So we'll get the result. Okay, maybe some error is there. Oh, give me a minute. So for this actually, it was giving some resultable object, right? So for that we need to just map values function, and then we need to run this to see the output. So result, yeah, 12421 like that, that we expected, right? Other one is like count by value. We are creating the RDD, RD dot count by value. Let's see what will be the result. One is coming two times, two is coming two times, three is coming one time, four is coming one time, and five is coming two times. So yeah, that's what expected. So one of the important question that we might get in interview, like uh, get the number of counts, uh, count by value, like how many objects are there, how many word count, right? How many words are there in the RDD. So let us first see the text file. What text file we are using? Already I have saved this in my dbfs. So let us run this, and you can see text file collect. It is a small file, so we can collect this. Hello PySpark enthusiasts, welcome to the world of big data. And this. So this is a text file which I'm having. Okay, so like transformation split lines into words. So what will we do? It will be splitting line flat map we have used, and we have also seen count by values. So now we can display the result, right? Follow is used one time, PySpark is two times, enthusiast is one time, like that. No, what we have seen earlier. So this is the example and one of the famous interview question. Again, this so the same thing we have tried to solve in a different way. Text data. This is the some file I have given. Then it will be creating an RDD. Then again, then here we are using count by value, and here I have used this reduce by key. Okay, map lambda what was the one we were appending in that, and then again reduce by key. We are counting the values, so we will be getting the same results of one, hello, two, awesome one. Yeah. See, we are getting result. Let us try to get this also. This will be an RDD object. Let's see. Already, I think it is a object. So let us try to print this only. See, yeah. Already this is, what counted it is collect object. That's why it was giving error. Yeah. So yeah, see, this is the same output of one, hello, two, same thing. And this I have just, for editable output, I have done this. So like this is like most of the common use function, and most of the interview session, what kind of question can be asked, I have covered in this session. Hope you liked it, and obviously if anything is missed I will be covering in the next session. And do let me know how you liked it, and please let me know on what topics you want me to create a video on. And for any doubts, any confusion, you can ping me on LinkedIn, or you can comment on my video. And yeah, please subscribe my channel, and keep supporting. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.